Learn how to make affiliate marketing work for you. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make some extra money in your spare time, and if you are very successful, you can even turn it into a full-time income. This video is full of tips and ideas to help make all aspects of your affiliate marketing endeavors rewarding. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money. Instead of actually owning the products, you refer people to buy them and make a commission off of it. One easy way to do this would be to post your website or product on a forum or blog in order to get the most people possible. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. To address your audience directly, you should take time to get to know them and understand their problems. Once you have identified their main concerns, you can propose a solution that includes buying the products you want to sell. Remain genuine and honest in addressing these issues that are important to your audience. Find an affiliate site that offers real-time statistics so you will be able to see how well the promotions that you are running are doing. You will be able to see the number of visitors have made their way to their site from yours, how many purchases were made, the number of sub-affiliates, and your total sales monthly. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just beginning your affiliate marketing adventure, by utilizing some of the advice and ideas contained in the tips featured in this video, you should be on your way to achieving your goals and becoming an expert affiliate marketer, capable of earning a substantial income. Student loan.